BFit. It is week 5, workout number 1. I'm back inside because temps are in the 30s today. And I don't mind being here. I have the perfect amount of space. I hope you will join me, and I'm just here to show you that you can do this in a little bit of space in your house. You don't need to have anything crazy. So today's workout is cheer up Buttercup with this total body tune up. We are going to hit it hard, really working on toning, shaping, and that's it. We're going to be doing a lot of reps today, not really focusing on time, but focusing on reps. So you will need dumbbells and a med ball and a mat. We're starting with alternating floor touches. We're going to do 20. Now this morning we did 30, but hoping that we can get through this workout together, I'm going to cut some of the reps down so that we can at least get through the motions. Are you ready? Here we go. 20 toe touches or floor touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shake it out. Next up we have prisoner lunges. We're going to lunge forward and go elbow to knee. We're also doing 20. We'll keep rotating. Here we go. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. We're actually going to 3. That's actually 6. 4. It's going to be 10 each side. 4. Keep going. 5. Squeeze across. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. Slip it on this mat. 9. 10. And 10. Awesome. I'm going to move this till I need it. Here we go. Now we have, using our dumbbells, we're going to do some weights. We're doing 10 deadlifts. So remember, deadlifts, the weight stays close to your body, going to the top of your shoes, and coming straight up, pushing through your heels, squeezing the butt cheeks. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Nice. Now, we're doing 10 rows. I'll stay sideways. Rows are just like this, pulling elbows up high, squeezing shoulder blades together. We're doing 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back is flat, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. And then we're doing 10 reverse flies. So once again, you're bent over, but you're coming out wider, just like that. Are you ready? 10 reverse flies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Whew. Awesome. We're going back to the top, except we're not going to redo the touches or the lunges. We're going to just do the weights because we're really focusing on tightening and toning today. So we're back to 10 deadlifts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, to rows. Elbows are high and you're bent over. Here we go. Pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let them hang down. Pull. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Love it. Now we have 10 reverse flies. Deep breath. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now set your weights down, shake it out. We're going to put all of those together. We're going to be doing a deadlift. Come up to your knees, turn your hands in for a row, reverse fly, stand up. And we're doing 10 of those. Okay? So, here we go. We're doing a deadlift. Come up to your knees, turn hands in, do a row. Now we reverse fly. And up nice and tall, that's 1. Deadlift. Row. Go wide. Reverse fly. And up, that's 2. Deadlift to the knees. Row. Reverse fly. And up. 3. Deadlift. Row. Reverse fly. And up is 4. We're tightening. We're toning. We're shaping. Deadlift. Row. Reverse fly. And up. We're at halfway. 5. Deadlift. Row. Reverse fly. And up. 6. Deadlift. Row. Reverse fly. And up. 7. Deadlift. Row. Go wide. Reverse fly. 8. 2 more. Row. Reverse fly. 9. And this is our last one. Deadlift. Row. Reverse fly. And up. Set those down. All right, now we'll need our mats. I'm checking the time. Okay. We're going to be doing mountain climbers, which you can do them high if you need to do them higher up, and you can tap them out, or you can hop them out. This time we're going to do 30. 1, 1, 2, 2 to 30. Are you ready? Shake it out. We're starting set 2. Here we go. 30 mountain climbers. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Great, great, great. We're going to be laying down. We're going to do 20 bicycles. Okay? Follow my lead. You'll need your weights. Make sure you have them down here with you. Here we go. 20 bicycles. Still working on a little bit of cardio here, so we want to move them quickly. Are you ready? So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. Good job. Okay. We are up for 10 chest presses. Chest press, my friends, palms out. We're going to be hammering the upper body now. Okay? Here we go. Chest press, palms out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to go sideways, so I think you'll be able to see me better. We're going to do triceps extensions. Sorry, I had this laid out, but my feet were kind of slipping on it. So now we're doing triceps. Holding your weights, palms facing together. Here we go. Drop the weights down towards your shoulders, elbows pointed high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Catch your breath a little bit. We're going right into 10 chest flies. Now, flies are palms face each other. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, nice, 10. Beautiful. Okay, shake it out. We're going to do similar. Take the weights over your head like you're doing your tricep, but you're going to sit up and press up. We want to take the weights over the head to get full extension on our abs, okay? So, looks like this. Take it over your head. Sit up, press up. 1. We're doing 10. 2. We'll count that as 1 because you're just starting with me. Here we go. This is 2. 2. 3. 4. Whew. Come on. 5 more. 6. Stretch it out. 7. Whew. Whew. Come on. 8. Breathe, breathe, breathe. 2 more. Over your head. 9. Last one. I'm afraid you can't see me coming over my head. And 10. All right. Now, we're back to the top with our weights. I'm going to go this way now. Sounds better to me. All right, so we're back to chest press, palms out. We're doing 10 reps. Are you ready? Here we go. Palms out. We want to burn this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. Breathe out on exertion. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have our triceps. Dropping the weights down towards your shoulders. 1. Elbows in tight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Now we have chest fly, palms face each other. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sit up, press up. Oh my Lord. We're taking it over our heads. Sit up, press up. 1. Stretch it out. 2. 3. Stretch it. 4. Keep going. If the weight's too heavy, you can always drop down to 1 and just hold it this way. That was 5. 6. So either way is good. 7. Hope I didn't lose the count in there. 8. Stretch it out. 9. Last one of these. Well, for right now. And 10. Okay. Shake your arms out because we're putting it all together. We're going to be doing a chest press to a fly, to a tricep, to a sit-up, press up. And we're going to go 10 times through. This is our final upper body blitz. Okay? Follow my lead. Here we go. Chest press, palms out. Chest press. Rotate palms in. Fly. Tricep. Tricep. Sit up. Press up. That's 1. Come back down. Chest press. Chest fly. Tricep. Sit up. Press up. 2. Back down. Chest press. Rotate palms in. Chest fly. Tricep. Sit up. 3. Chest press. Chest fly. Tricep. Sit up. 4. We're getting there. Take our time with it. Good form. Chest press. Rotate in. Fly. Drop them down. Tricep. Sit up. Press up. 5. Chest press. Fly. Tricep. Press up. 6. Whew. Again. Chest press. Fly. Tricep. Sit up. Press up. 7. Whew. Chest press. Starting to sweat here, people. Fly. Triceps. Sit up. 8. 2 more. Chest press. Chest fly. Tricep. Sit up. Press up. 9. Last one. Palms out. Chest press. Palms in. Fly. Tricep. Sit up. Press up. And 10. Wow. That was awesome. Let me see our time here. 27. 10. All right, we're just going to do a finisher exercise, and by that, something to really blast it out. We're going to do 7 curls. Are you ready? Just hang with me. This is our last thing. 7 curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now touch the ground. End up. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our very last thing right now. We're putting it all together. 7. Shake your weights out. Shake your arms out. We're going to touch the ground. Come on up. Curl. Then squat. Then press. Looks like this. Touch. Curl. Squat. Press. And we're going to do it 7 times. And we're going to say goodbye after that. Are you ready? Here we go. Touch. Curl. Squat. Press. 1. Touch. Squeeze. Come on. Curl. Squat. 2. Touch. Curl. Squat. Press. 3. Touch. Curl. Squat. Press. 4. 3 more. Touch. is done. We will see you guys in a couple days for workout number 2. Hope you have a great day. Take care, and till I see you then, bye-bye.